What is innovation? Creating new or improved products, services, technologies, or ideas for markets, governments, and society. A new invention or significant improvement on an existing product, service, or process. Involves idea generation, research and development, R&D, testing, and market introduction. Requires creativity, risk-taking, and the ability to overcome obstacles and resistance to change. What is the scope of innovation? Product innovation. Introduction of a new product or a significant improvement to an existing product. Process innovation. Implementation of a new or significantly improved production or delivery method. Organizational innovation. Implementation of a new organizational method, workplace organization or external relations. Marketing innovation. Development of new marketing methods, e.g., changes in product design or packaging, product placement, product promotion or pricing. With thanks to GPT 4 and Pictory AI, 2023.